Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. At the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster, and we are going to use these four buttons to navigate through it. Use these two buttons to change menu on the instrument cluster. This one is forward and this one is backwards. And use these two buttons to navigate through selected menu. So what can we find here? Firstly, we can find trip info, from reset, from start, distance. Then we can find telephone menu, odometer and service info. Audio menu and settings. In settings, we can find lighting settings, date and time settings, headlamp settings, surround lighting, headlight delay switch off, interior lighting delay, and that's it. And that's basically all settings we can find on the instrument cluster. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.